Y'all ready for this?
Hello. Tell me about your day. Tell me about your day.
I caught like 8 fish.
I caught 14. I caught 14.
16.
She caught 16.
Romy caught 12.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
Go get something to eat then.
A little later.
That's like mostly fish.
Oh! Now put this down. Okay. So we got a starfish, guys. We got freaking, check this out. This thing is kind of creepy. We got a starfish and some mackerel and a halibut.
Looks like you got dinner.
Yeah, it's all right. We are in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. I'm telling you, man, I hate leaving the state, but they got so many damn fucking liberals in the state. It's not even funny. So I'm here with the family. I'm enjoying a day at the beach.
Oh, I think I caught people.
Oh, wow.
You caught people?
I caught people.
Okay, put it on in. Put it on. All the fish is right there. They
there's
caught
fish.
people. All right.
There's fish in there. There's a school fish. There's a school of fish right
There's
there.
a school
There's
fish.
still fish. I need some.
Look up, I mean,
Go,
let it
go back
still.
down. Go back down.
There.
More.
Wait.
They're coming. They're, stop.
They're nibbling.
They nibbled.
They're literally
nibbled?
nibbling.
Yeah. They nibbled, but they didn't bite.
They didn't
One
bite.
leg.
No.
There's fishies down there. I don't know if you guys can see
I don't know
them.
if you should drop it lower.
Drop it lower, man.
There.
There you go. Right there. Stop. Oh, they're around it. They're around it. I see them.
Hold it still, Mindy. And look, they're going around Romney's too.
Yeah, but I don't. They're not nibbling.
Because they know you're fake. I'm just kidding.
It's hot.
No, there's a whole bunch of school. I mean, there's a school
There's
fish.
school fish right there.
What's school fish? Excuse my ignorance.
There's a bunch of fish down there.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta go. You'll see them. I don't know if you can see them right now.
Well, you can see them a little. You see it?
I think
That fish circle around
it's
there?
nibbling. It's nibbling a little bit.
And do you not want to get them?
Huh?
Do you not want to get a school fish?
No, that's what we're trying to do.
Oh, you are.
Hold on. Mommy, make sure you don't move yours.
Beautiful.
Guys, so this is my Saturday. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
No, not the lemon.
Wow, look at that one. Pimping. That thing's pimping right there. And not too long ago, we saw the Coast Guard passing by.
Somebody
Beautiful
got towed.
sailboat. Somebody got towed. Somebody got towed.
We have toads in our front
Who
yard.
got towed?
That was a long time ago.
Oh. They talking about Bo got towed. Yes, we got beach chickens. Yes, that's what my daughters call them. And we got these guys. These guys ain't got nothing. My kids have put these fools to shame. Between two of my nieces and two of my daughters, they probably caught about 30, 40 fish. So right now it's kind of slowed down because the tide. But it's been good. Oh,
Daddy,
just
need
to
help.
okay. Will you let? I'm making my video. Shut up.
Well, this got caught.
What got caught?
This part. See? See that?
Okay, well, that's because you got the damn hook on this thing. If you get the hook off of the damn thing, you'll be alright.
It's not my fault. I have to deal with it.
Enjoy the beach while I'm doing this. Because my kids are making my life difficult. I'm sorry. And I keep moving this damn camera. That's my brother right there.
I do.
Say hi, brother.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Brother, say hi.
Hey, hello.
Romy's right there.
Hello.
Oh, there's guts on this thing.
Oh.
Either way, you're gonna wash your hands.
Okay. And now,
What an amazing
That
day.
thing's part.
yep. Okay. Hey, let go. Push the button so let go of it.
Oh, Romy.
Push the button. Let go of the slack.
What is that?
Okay.
Did they catch it?
No.
Okay. There you go. Quit bugging me.
Okay, hold on.
Trying to make my inspirational video here. All right. Cool. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. Santa Barbara, California. Have a good day. Peace.
Bye.
Like I was saying, there's another little mackerel. Oh, hold on. Here you go get my rag. Gotta get the rag. There we go. Yes, you only see that shit in California.
Pequeñito.
Oh, a little baby one.
Una baby, huh?
Yeah, it's a little baby one.
Oh, sí.
Dude, how are we gonna take him back?
It's a baby. I've never seen one of those little ones.
Wow, mira cómo se mueve.
Take a picture of it, Mom.
Aquí hay grandes.
Yo.
Their own pubs, Irish pubs.
Yeah, somebody had too much Bud Light.